Hello everyone, welcome to my full glam makeup tutorial. Absolutely love this dry oil from NYX because of its nourishing properties. This is my absolute favorite brow product from Benefit. I use this to fill in my brows for a more defined look. To make sure my brows are set in place, I use the 24-hour brow setter from Benefit. For eyeshadow primer, I use the P. Louise concealer. This universal eyeshadow palette from Wet n Wild is amazing. I apply the transition shade into my crease. To intensify this look, I use a warmer shade just below my crease. Ooh, I love a good shimmer, so I apply this to my eyelids. To intensify this look, I use a black eyeshadow on the outer corners of my eye and make sure it's well blended. And now I just repeat the eyeshadow steps on the bottom lashes. You can use a liquid eyeliner or a gel eyeliner, whichever one you're more comfortable with. I use mine to create a small wing. For extra drama, let's apply some lashes. Not to prime is a crime. I use Makeup Revolution's baking oil as a primer. This product is also amazing if you have dry and dehydrated skin. This foundation is cruelty-free. It's light to your skin and has medium to full coverage. I apply this with a damp beauty blender. I use the same concealer from P. Louise and apply a small amount under my eyes. Physicians Formula has the perfect bronzer to contour your cheekbones, your forehead and your nose. A blusher can do amazing things to any makeup look, so apply a little just on the apples of your cheek. For a healthier appearance, I use this shimmer eyeshadow as a highlighter and apply this to my cheekbones. My makeup won't move with this Oil Control Matte Finishing Spray from Catrice. I fell in love with this matte lipstick from Catrice. It's weightless and will not make your lips feel dry. The shade I use today is called Marilyn Monroe's. I hope that you enjoyed getting ready with me. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Until next time, mwah!